Time for a quick tour of the primitive campgrounds at Calhoun Falls State Park. We'll make this fairly quick because I'm on a bicycle, so I'm not going all the way back into the site. That is the bathroom and outdoor shower. Nice open area. More parking over here with, I think, wooded sites. Well, I can't see a whole lot from here, but that was sites 1 through 5. I know we get a better view of some of the sites. Now back through the woods you might be able to catch a glimpse of some of the sites. I see some picnic tables and areas set up. They look big enough you could get 3 or 4 tents. 3 or 4 two-man tents on a pad. And it looks to me like sites 6, 7, 8, and whatever else are out here look much nicer. I mean, these are out on the lake. Nice view. Smaller pads. So if you've got a scout troop with a bunch of hammock campers, you might be okay. If they allow that here, I don't know. But nice, easily accessible. If it's just a couple of you camping, nice spaces. But 6, 7, and 8 are the ones on the water. The rest of these are back in the woods in various places. I see lots of little bridges to get across the creeks. And we're in the middle of a drought, so the creeks are pretty dry right now, but nice access back to those campsites. And I think that's pretty much what you get with the primitive camping here at Calhoun Falls State Park.